Water supply. Hey! This water supply. It go be Archman. Ojimine Mog. From Obrekwe. Omokrandok. Is local government. In Akotakwa side, Archman. Borehole drilling water. Borehole man. Who do give away for borehole? Who open water for the borehole? Archman. Oscar. Hey! Yeah! Archman. Archman get water supply.
Yeah. I go again, I'm a town here because I pull up in the meeting I saw. I pass my car, I go. I go talk about what car is on. It's even like sitting in walking. First life when I look at it, go on.
Okay. What have you done? Good morning, Mama. Hey, now you watch mine. You get water supply. Come get this one again. Hey, what is the difference for this life? If I think I'm married to wife, two wife, whatever it. So if you come from Omokrandok Obrekwe, it's local government. Now you be Archman. Where they use water, they do give away. Ojimine Mogoba, Igbo language. Archman. If we give Omaka boys water, where do they open for 1 or inch?
Yes.
You there, sir?
Yes.
Here you go, there.
I'll do it.
Hey! Archman. Here you go, that's right.
Local government as a whole. Local government as a whole. Both Njaba, both Omaka. Ojimine Mogo, Kembo, both Amiibo. Ojimine Mogo, I will surprise you with water. I'll give you water. I'll give you aquifer water. What we call aquifer water. A neat water. Very neat water. I will give it to you. Wherever you're from. Put me on call. Call me 080-30-86-9821. That is my contact. Contact me. I will give you water. I will surprise you. Thank you very much. Ojimine Mogo, Sure, one day.
Do you want me to tell you why you grab side?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Sure.
I send her very late on now. Maka chukwi for no working on compy. Toyota na Porsche, no compy.